Meaning of ideal home.
Ideal home.
Ideal home.
Ideal home.
Ideal home. Ideal home refers to a concept of a perfect living space, tailored to one's individual preferences and needs. The term encompasses a wide range of ideals, including comfort, style, convenience, practicality, and emotional satisfaction. An ideal home can be different for each person, based on factors such as lifestyle, family structure, personal tastes, and budget. However, common features of an ideal home may include spaciousness, natural light, functional layout, comfortable furnishings, personalized decor, and a sense of harmony with the surrounding environment. Ultimately, an ideal home is a place of refuge and contentment, where one can rest, recharge, and thrive.